In this part, we are going to talk about the LEGB rules, and L is which imply the refer to the local scope, and E is the encoding scope, and the G is the global, and B is built-in. So what is built-in? And for example, if we import we return it back to code first, and if we import the Py from math modules, and then we print Py, and this is the built-in Py, and so now we create a function like this. So first we we import the Py from math, and then we also create a Py which is global Py, and you can see the definition is the highest level in a Python script program or modules. And then we also define the Py, and this is the encoding Py. The encoding is the unit scope that is only available in nested function. So you can see this is a nested functions, and normally we do not have any encoding scope if you just have one functions here, just like this. And L is the local scope, and this is the local Py, because refer to this function, this is the local Py, and which is the most inside Py. So if you run this, you can see this will refer to this Py, and we get the local Py, and it will go upper and upper, or outer and outer. So if we comment this one, and then if we run these two statement again, you can see this will point to this Py. This is the encoding Py, because you cannot find any locals or local Py here. So it will go up one stage and go to find the encoding Py. And again, if we comment this, and then we execute these two program again, it will refer to the outer one, and this is the global Py. And if you also comment this, so you can see we do not have assigned any Py values, and then we execute this again, you will get 3.1415926, and this is actually from the math modules, and this is the built-in Py. So you can see how to get the values, and you can also the next thing is we are going to teach you how to use the global keywords. And what is the global keywords? And it is used to create a global variable and make changes to the variable in a local context. So for example, you can see this is the global variable, and this is the local variable. So normally we define x is equal to 5 inside the functions, and x is equal to x plus 3, so we will get x here, but this will not affect the outer or the global x. So for example, we create this function and execute these functions, and you can see the value of x inside the function is 8. But when you print x, so this refers to the global variable, and this will still have the 3, the value is still 3. So if you want to assign a new values to this global variable, you have to add the global keyword here. So I just simplify the calculation, and we assign the 100 to x. So we execute this one, and now you can see the functions. We execute the function 1, and then we print x again. Now this time the x will become 100, and you can see the difference if we comment this. Now you can see even we have assigned x is equal to 100, it still print the value 3, and this is what the 3 come from. But this is not a recommend way, because you will feel very messy, because you do not know which part is going to assign the new value to the global x, and this is not easy for readings for other programmers if you are cooperating with other programmers. So this is better to use another functions, and we are going to return the values. So you already make some changes inside the functions, and then you return the value x. So x is equal to function x. So this also will we assign the value of x, but this is more readable because you know this function is going to we assign the new values in for the x